Hi everyone and welcome to Skinmart. My name is Susan and today I'll be talking to you about Cosmedix Purity Clean. This is a great cleanser to help remove daily impurities and grime from your skin. It doubles as a cleanser and contains mild exfoliating properties. It focuses on clearing and purifying oily and acne-prone skins while also evening out the texture of the skin. The exfoliating portion is the lactic acid, which exfoliates and unclogs your pores. It also has tea tree, which balances and clarifies the skin, and peppermint oil, which will leave your skin feeling very calmed and refreshed. Purity Clean is great for anyone concerned with congestion, breakouts, oily prone skin and hyperpigmentation. Now Purity Clean can be used both morning and night, so you moisten your hands and add a small amount of cleanser and work into a lather. Gently massage into the skin and remove with water, avoiding your eye area. You would follow this with your Purity Balance Toner and then apply your serums and moisturiser. If you would like to purchase the Cosmedix Purity Clean, please go to our website at skinmart.com.au or simply click on the link below. Until next time, have a great day.